The first water feature that I created here has been agitated a little bit. We just had a really heavy downpour. Tropical storm just came through. It's the start of hurricane season here. But you can see the waterfall's got a little bit of the milkier water coming through because the drainage ditch has got disturbed. But this section's doing really good. There's about 100 fish in this collective pond section over here, and they're all thriving. And we're gonna walk down here, and I will bury, obviously, this pipe. This is just temporary. I wanted to just get everything fitted into place and then see how it all goes. Here's some of my rocks, some of my plants. The willows won't be too close because they're thirsty. So here, they'll have about a 4 foot, 5 foot tall pile that will have all of the waterfall for this section. This stream will not be connected to that. It will be its own closed loop system, where the pond is not closed looped. It actually pulls water in from a low spot drainage over there. So this whole cavity here will start the stream this direction, and there's a couple spaces where you can walk in and see it, and one where you can cross over it. So here, as you walk in, you'll be able to walk over to the about 5, almost 6 feet deep hole here, which is actually holding water really well. I just have underlayment here just to make sure I don't poke my liner. And this will be where I have fish, and then it will start the little kind of flow of the stream feature here. And I did just put the liner down. It's 6 feet by 100 feet, so this is really big. I just wanted to test where the water flowed, so I'm using the garden hose to see where my high spots and low spots are. I do need to drop this waterfall under the ground here, just a hair, maybe an inch. But these will all have rocks on them, so they'll all be very similar to the one that we just saw back there. And this here, this section, because that's where the trail is that goes to that side, will have rocks that actually go across the waterfall here. So you'll see the water as you cross the rocks on your right and to your left, one above you and one below you. And the stream itself carries on down here. And then this will be the weir facing just like this, which is a long plank-like rock that goes off the end of the waterfall, and the water will go over it and fall into this low pit here. There's some shoring that I've done with cinder blocks here to hold it all in, and the flow rate will be obviously much, much higher in the completed project. But this is just me testing it out. I'm doing a little showcase so you can see what it looks like before and after, because once it's after, you won't see any of the liner. It'll just look like a stream that was always here. So it's always good to have a documentation of the previous step.